welcome to today's first edition of Blue Streak Spotlight. I'm joined here by Lee Jennings of the women's basketball team. Lee, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Art.
Well, first question right off the bat is, you've got 4 games until the regular season comes to a close, and the OSC playoffs are quite the task. What does your team have to do leading into the playoffs?
We just need to keep winning. These last 4 games are very crucial, and us trying to move up to get the 4th playoff spot, so we need to keep staying consistent with what we're doing and keep winning.
Or any of the last 4 games you look at as being like a key game you'd want to have to win?
Well, tonight is a pretty key game against Otterbein and Capital, of course, because they're first in the league, so pretty much all of them, the last 4.
Sure, all must-wins, right?
Yeah.
Well, throughout the season, you yourself have been close to the top of the league in scoring, and as well as the team. Do you think there's something about this high-powered offense that brings the best out of each of you?
I don't know. We get out in transition. We put points on the board. I mean, that's what we're best at. So that's what we try to do night in and night out. Get the defense, rebound, and run.
Sure. Well, part of that defense, aside from the offensive side of the ball, yourself, Sadie Zander, Caitlin Surik, are the big reason why your team leads the league in blocks. Now, Surik herself has broken the all-time block shot record in at John Carroll. But is there something that you guys really like about that? Why it happens so much?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, it's good to kind of have that dominance over someone. They try to go up and score over you, and you tell them there's no way. And it gets everyone pumped up about it, so we enjoy it. We have fun with it.
That's good. Yeah, I'm sure the fans like it too. No doubt about that. So as the current scoring leader and current assist leader in the OAC, is there something about your game that leads to scoring as well as the assists? I mean, most good scorers don't also dish out the rock. There's something you do that's unique.
Well, I just try to keep attacking, take what the defense is giving me, because I'm not always going to have an open lane or an open shot, so get the defense to collapse on me, kick it out to an open teammate.
Does it help you have good outside shooters like Whitney Hamilton?
Oh, yeah, definitely. That, sucks the defense in. They got to play in, play out.
Sure.
So, yeah.
Well, our final question for the day is that, we've seen you grow over the last 3 years since coming in here as a freshman. You can score the ball very well. You shoot the ball very well. You help get your teammates involved in the play, and also you're great on the defensive end. Is there something you've done over the 3 years of being here that's developed your game to this point?
Just came in and worked hard. Just work hard every day. It's pretty much all you can do is give your best effort, work hard every day, and do the best you can on both sides of the floor.
Sure. Well, that'll close up the first edition of Blue Streak Spotlight. Lee, thank you so much for joining us. Catch us next time with our interview with Corey Shantz of the men's basketball team.